Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a head and shoulders trade setup. A head and shoulders trade setup is where price goes into a resistance level, so it goes higher, goes into resistance level, bounces off of that level, and then pushes higher once again to form the head. There it fails once again at the next level of support resistance, bounces off of that level, then does a third test of a lower level. So it looks like a human. We have left shoulder, right shoulder, and a head in the middle. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a head and shoulders trade setup looks like and how do we trade it profitably.
We're looking at head and shoulders trade setup here. This is Euro Pound 1 hour chart. A head and shoulders trade pattern. In the head and shoulders trade pattern, we are looking at three different points. Essentially, it looks like a person. So we have a head in the middle, which is the highest point in the setup. And then we have a left shoulder and a right shoulder. So the left and the right shoulder are approximately at the same level. If one is lower, if the right hand is lower than the left, that one is okay as well, because that shows that the momentum is to the downside and market is price is moving lower, which is good as well. But overall, we just have three things that we look at: a head in the middle, which is the highest point where price goes and turns around, and prior to that, price does try to turn around before that. However, it fails and makes that one push higher, but then drops and tests the left shoulder again. So it will go and test the same level one more time, and then it will hold below that level before it drops and goes to the next support and resistance line, or we can do the one-to-one risk to reward ratio here. So once you see the left shoulder here like this, something like this form, and you see a head form, now we are looking for the right shoulder. So we have to wait on this setup. Once price comes and reacts at the same level, I would drop my support and resistance level, and then I wait for the price to react at that level. Once you see the price reacting and we see the price is holding below this level, this is a 1 hour chart, so we can see that the price has held below this level for several hours, and then we get a bearish engulfing candle right here. So that's a good sign. This is the time we would place our entry, and the stop would go above the head, making sure there is room for trade to breathe, and we enter the short and we wait for price to go to either the next support and resistance level, and then we can just exit the trade, or we can see if the price starts to go sideways, you can exit the trade then. So that's our head and another way to mark your target level is you can also go 1-to-1 risk to reward. So basically, if you measure the point from your entry to your stop loss, you are looking for the same move in the next direction as well. So that's another way to set your target level. So basically, this is So just to recap, we are looking for three levels here. We have head in the middle and a left shoulder where price reacts before it pushes to the next level, and we have a right shoulder where price reacts again at the same level. Once we see price hold below the right shoulder here at the support and resistance level, we enter the trade short. Our stop goes above the head here, and we wait for price to come to either to the next support or resistance level, or we just take a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So in this example here, we have between entry and exit here 55 pips in the trade, so our profit is 55 pips or $550 if trading one standard lot.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I have created a special price action cheat sheet for you. If you would like to get your hands on it, make sure you click on the link below and I will make sure I get it to you. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.